we are going to be looking at the rule of arithmetic sequence. Now I've got the rule here for you, and this is the rule specifically for Tn. Now Tn represents the nth term. So when I mean the nth term, if I want maybe the fifth term, I'd sub in 5 into n, so I can get the term 5, fifth term. Or if I want the 20th term, I'll sub in 20 into n, stuff like that. So Tn represents the nth term. Now, you can see I've got some other prenumerals here. I've got a and a d. Hopefully you guys know that a is the first term. A is the first term in any arithmetic sequence. And d is simply the common difference. So what you have to do to the first number to get to the next number, and therefore. So remember these three pronumerals for me and try to memorize this formula as we go, and we're going to try to utilize that one. So let's go into the question, guys. It's asking us to find the 20th term of the arithmetic sequence. Now they give us a little sequence here, and it's going to be arithmetic, and we have to find the 20th term. So again, the first term we know that it's 5. The first term is the easiest term to determine. It's just the first one in the sequence. Now the common difference, 5 plus what is 9? It's 4. And basically, how do we get 4? You just do 9 minus 5, 13 minus 9, 17 minus 13. All of them, like I did here, should be 4. So that's the common difference. It should be same in each case because it's an arithmetic sequence. And we want the 20th term, don't we? So we'll have to use our formula here, the Tn formula. And you know that it's a plus n minus 1d. The n is going to be 20. So a is 5. N, as I said, I put T20 because I want the 20th term. That's what's in the question, right? So I put 20 into N, and the common difference, as we found, is 4. So you just put the right numbers into the right values, and then just simplify it. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 times 4, and then you add the 5, you should probably get a number of 81. So that would be our 20th term. And if you add 4 that many times, you'd probably get to 81, but the simple formula will get us to it really quickly. So that's the 20th term. Now we'll do another one. We'll do question 2. This time they want us to find the 28th term of the arithmetic sequence. Now again, here's our sequence, and you can see it's going down, isn't it? But first of all, the first term is simply 98. So first term is A, isn't it? So the first term A is 98, the first one in the sequence. Now let's find the common difference. 98 minus what is 95? 90. So you can see that I've done the difference. It's 3. So 98 minus 3 gives us 95. But it's going to be negative 3, isn't it? Because we're going down. It's getting smaller. And you can see I've also just done a little bit of calculation for it to check. You always do the second number minus the number behind. So, and then that difference gives us the common difference. It's negative this time, negative 3. And we want the 28th term. Now again, we're going to use our Tn formula, a plus n minus 1d. We've got our a, we've got our common difference, and what's going to be n, guys? N is simply going to be 28 because we want the 28th term. So I make it T28, 28th term, a, which is 98, plus n, which is 28 minus 1, and d, which is negative 3. And just calculate that for me. 28 minus 1 is 27. Multiply that by negative 3 and simply add your 98, and you just get a value of 17. So 17 is the 28th term of this arithmetic sequence.